What if I told you that right now in your city there are hundreds of local business owners losing customers every single day simply because they don't have a website? And the crazy part is most of those business owners are already willing to pay someone to fix it. They just don't know who to call. And so in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build and sell AI websites to local businesses, even if you've never built a website before, even if you have zero design skills, and even if you're starting with absolutely zero money. So there's no coding, there's no agency experience needed. No prior clients. If you can copy and paste, you can make this work. So stick with me to the end of the video because I'm going to show you the entire business model, how to find clients, how to build the website in minutes using AI, how to reach out, and how to charge $300 to $500 a month for it on a recurring basis. And real quick, if you want my free step-by-step course that goes even deeper on this, all you have to do is smash the like button and drop a comment below, and I will personally send you the private link. It's a free course, so there's no upsells, there's nothing to buy. So let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is find a client, a small local business that doesn't have a website. We're going to do this completely free using Google Maps. So I'm just going to come over here to Google Maps and I'm going to type in, let's say plumbers in, let's say Raytown, Missouri, and I'm going to hit enter. Now you can use any city, any industry, chiropractors, HVAC companies, dentists, gym owners. It does not matter. So now we've got all the plumbers in the area pulled up, and what we're going to do is start hovering over these listings one by one. What we're looking for is a business with no website listed. As you can see, Raytown Plumbing, they have absolutely zero website. They have 33 reviews. They're only 4.6 stars. So they're in business. They're serving customers. They just don't have an online presence. And that is your perfect prospect. And the reason this is so powerful is because these business owners are already busy. They're out there, they're doing the work, they're fixing pipes, they're running their crew. They don't have time to figure out a website, but they know they need one. They just haven't found the right person to help them yet. And that's where you come in. So now that we found our prospect, here's what we do next. And this is where it gets really cool. So we're going to use ChatGPT to write a prompt that will build the entire website for us. So I've got a simple Google Doc here with a template prompt. It says, write a prompt to build a professional industry website using the Google Business Profile link below. So all I'm going to do is copy this and paste it in. And I'm going to swap out the word industry for plumbing. And then I'm going to go back to the Google Maps page and copy all of the business information. And the way that we're going to do that is you see this share button. We're going to go ahead and click on share and just copy link. What that does is that copies all of their Google Business Profile information. This is their name, their phone number, their address, their hours, reviews, everything that's listed. And so I go back to ChatGPT and I paste this link below and I'm just going to hit enter. And just like that, ChatGPT has now written a full detailed website prompt with all of the business's real information baked in. So this is their services, their location, contact detail, local SEO words for their city, all of it. And I didn't write a single word of that. I literally just copy and pasted. So now I'm going to take this prompt and I'm going to put it into what we call AI Studio. So let me show you that next. All right, so this is the software that I use for everything. It's called GoHighLevel. And what I love about this platform is that you can completely white label it. That means you put your own logo on it, your own domain, and you charge clients whatever you want. This could be $300, $400, $500 a month. And 100% of that goes directly into your bank account. So there's no commission splits, no middleman taking a cut. You keep everything. So inside GoHighLevel, we just come right over here to the sidebar, click on AI Studio, and I'm going to take that prompt ChatGPT just wrote for us, paste it right in here and hit enter. So while this is building out, which only takes a couple minutes, I want to pause real quick because I want to hook you up with something, because I could just show you this whole system and then send you off to figure it out on your own, but that's not how we do things around here. So here's what I've got for you. If you just smash the like button right now, drop a comment below and subscribe, I'm going to send you a private link that gets you access to all of this. So the first thing you're going to get is you're going to get an extended 30-day free trial to the exact software I'm using right now, not the standard 14-day trial that everyone else gets, a full 30 days completely free. Just log in and start building. Second, when you sign up through my link, my team is going to personally get on a one-on-one kickoff call with you and set up your entire business. This is your white label software. your website builder, your prospecting tool, which I'll show you here in a second. All of it is configured and ready to go for your specific niche and for what you're doing. You don't have to figure any of it out on your own. My team handles it with you for free. And then third, you're also getting access to our free live bootcamp where my team walks you through this exact setup every single week on Zoom. So even if you can't do that one-on-one right away, you've got the bootcamp as a backup and you're never doing this alone. And on top of all of that, you're getting all of my prompt templates, all of my outreach message scripts, and my pricing guides for your white label so you know exactly what to charge from day one. All of this is free. There's nothing to buy. Just drop a comment below, smash the like button, make sure you subscribe, and I'll send you that private link. And just like that, in literally 2 to 3 minutes, we have a professionally designed, fully built plumbing website. AI built the whole thing. So look at this. It's got their business name. It's got their phone number, all their services, their location. It has their reviews and what sets them apart. It's even pulling in local SEO keywords for Raytown, Missouri. So this business actually has a shot at showing up on your Google search. It's even got contact forms, a call to action. It literally has everything. I didn't design a single thing. Copy and pasted a prompt, and AI did the rest. Now here's what we do with this website. Now that we've got a professional looking website built for this business, we're gonna reach out to the owner with a simple message. And the key here is we're leading with value. We're not cold pitching them. We're not saying, hey, I have a service, want to buy it. We're showing up with something in hand. And here's the exact message that I use. Hey, name, quick question. I noticed your business doesn't have a website yet. I went ahead and mocked up one for you real quick. Here it is. Attach the website link. If you want, I can make this live and optimize it so customers in Raytown, Missouri can actually find you on Google. If not, totally fine. Just figured I'd show you. That's it. It's short, direct, no pressure, and you're already delivering value before they've paid you a single dollar. The response rate on this type of outreach is genuinely incredible because you're not just talking about what you could do, you're already showing them a real result. Most business owners have never had someone do that for them. Now here's where this gets really scalable because instead of going one by one through Google Maps, GoHighLevel actually has a built-in prospecting tool that automates the search for you. So I go back to GoHighLevel, we'll go hit back, and we're gonna come to the sidebar and we're gonna hit prospecting. So I come over here, click add prospect, and I can search for plumbers in that area, which is Raytown, Missouri. And I'm gonna set a 10-mile radius and then hit search. And look at this, it pulls up every plumber in that area, but here's the best part. I can filter right here. So do they have a website? Yes, no. And now I can instantly see every business in this radius that doesn't have a website. These are all hot prospects. These are all people you can reach out to today, build a website for, and potentially land as a paying client. And this will even give you the likelihood of landing them as a potential client based on their Google business profile. And when you run out of businesses in one city, you just go to the next city or widen the radius. The opportunity is literally endless. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Noah, if I'm building this website for free as a mock-up, how am I actually charging $300 a month for it? It's a great question. So here's how it works. The website is the foot in the door. It's the thing that gets them to say yes and starts the relationship. But what you're actually selling them is an ongoing service. Once they're a client, you're hosting their website, you're keeping it updated, you're connecting it to their Google account, managing their online presence, and that alone is worth $200 to $300 a month to any business owner who has no idea how to do any of this. And then once they're in, you have simple upsells, things like automated review requests that text their customers instantly after a job is done and ask for a Google review. Things like an AI chat widget on the website that answers questions and books appointments automatically. Things like a missed call text back so they never lose a lead again, or an AI voice receptionist that answers the calls and books the appointment automatically. Each one of those is an additional $100 to $200 a month. Stack 2 or 3 of them together and you're at $400, $500 a month per client. And the setup for all of it literally takes 15 to 30 minutes one time, and then it runs on autopilot every single month. So I want to recap the whole system real quick. Step 1, go to Google Maps, find local businesses with no website. It's completely free. Copy their Google My Business profile link, paste it into ChatGPT with a simple prompt, and get a website brief in seconds. Step 3 is paste that into the GoHighLevel AI Studio, get a professional website in 2 to 3 minutes. And step 4 is send the business owner a simple message showing them the website you built. There's no hard pitch. Once they say yes, set them up on a monthly plan, $300 to $500 a month. This is recurring revenue every month. And step 6, use the built-in prospecting tool to find more clients and repeat the process. That is the entire business, and it works. I've done it. People I've shown this to have done it. Real local businesses, real money, and real results. Now, if you want my complete free course that walks you through every single one of these steps in even more detail, including my outreach scripts, my website templates, my pricing guide, everything, all you have to do is smash the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe, and I will personally send you the private link. I promise there's no course to buy, there's no upsells, just the free step-by-step training. And if you sign up for GoHighLevel through my link in the description, you get an extended 30-day free trial. That's double the normal trial. Plus, I'll get you into a free live bootcamp where we set your entire business up together on Zoom in about 45 minutes. So if you're new here, hit subscribe down below. I post multiple times a week on how to build real AI businesses that pay you real money. And I'll see you in the next one.